Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. So this dictation credit goes to Akshay sir. So get ready for the dictation. Where the letter order issues about the new policies and another tier is also provided to tear the order being scrolled the tier of filing system, and that all are about like tired circulation process stop its main principle to accumulate the principal amount where the High Court is fixed the remuneration for its employees and also accept the issues of arrears for regular officials except contractual stop para where an auditor is directed to calculate or refix the fare for transport used for books, and its editor is also bounded to implement all the four price used by state or central government time to time until the amount exceeds the limit where the High Court is capable to exceed, and that what is recommended for the price distribution, and then they are priced to enter it accordingly, and main use reason about its device like the regularization stop para. The device is too dangerous for the policy and scheme where the only device to get rid of the problem, that is contractual recruitment, may get done by the government stop people aid everyone absolute for the refixation in the policy to add the arrears which is credited by giving obsolete payment without being known of the age of competitors under the ages of recruitment process, and the entire syllabus and exam pattern are kept on the known edges of the similar level stop. Governments mostly hire the employees on low pay scale for the higher posts on which, if any post is lying vacant, the here is bound to take the charge of the same post stop para. Government should abet the persons who reside in slums if they tried the poverty can be abated during slum the economy, and further it has been come to the notice that the employees are also trying to elevate the poor people to alleviate the poverty in society where all the prices rise in day to day life like rice and food items stop. When an employee makes errors to get credited his arrears into his account mistakenly, it seems like government may seize all the credentials and also seize the remuneration when anyone sees towards the government for giving relief, lest the government should seize his property whether he is entrusted to refix the arrears and report entrusted to the government stop para. Whether any employee is infectious with a disease that are chronic, or if employees disease by a lenient infection stop.